QBO bank feeds are great, but sometimes things happen. One of the most common issues that I see is the duplicating of credit card payments. This happens when you add the payment from the bank feed and you also add it from the checking feed in the bank center. There's a couple of ways to figure out that you've done this. Some of the telltale signs are an amount here in uncategorized asset that you can see on my balance sheet, or if I jump over to the reconciliation screen, I have my MasterCard up and I have reconciled it as of the end of last month. If we pop over to the checking account reconciliation, you can see I have two open items here for the same amount on the same date. Pretty telltale sign that there's something duplicated there. So how do we go about fixing this? Well, we look at the audit trails to start with. If I just pick one and I edit, I can see that it's going from checking to MasterCard. That's where I want it to be. If I go more down here, I can go to the audit history. So what the audit history is going to tell me, after I click on the very last entry here, is under the cleared column, it's been cleared in the MasterCard account. So this is the one that I cleared when I was doing the credit card reconciliation, but it's not cleared in checking. So this is the one that I want to clear. And if we go back, we can take a look at the other one, edit from more down here, audit history, and we can see it's not cleared anywhere, and it is my uncategorized asset amount that I don't want. So we can go ahead and delete or void that. It'll put it back into the bank feed, and from there we can just exclude it from the bank feed and move on with life. Coming back to the reconciliation here, now we have one transaction, it's coded correctly, and we finish our reconciliation, and we're all done. I hope you found this helpful. Join me next week. Thanks so much.